So this is One UI 8.0 update review of Samsung Galaxy S23 FE after using for almost 4 days. First, let's talk about animations and smoothness. The first thing I noticed after updating was how smooth everything feels. Opening and closing apps is noticeable faster than One UI 7. Samsung has clearly refined the animations and the smoothness of software while using or opening and closing the apps. But yes, guys, I did see small lags once or twice a day, mostly when switching between heavy apps. Obviously, it's not a deal breaker, but it's there, guys. Overall, the UI feels smooth and polished. So animation and smoothness wise, I am happy, guys. Now let's talk about performance and gaming. While doing normal tasks like using Facebook, scrolling reels, watching YouTube videos, I did not find any issue. Everything was fine. Everything was very, very smooth. But as I told you, while switching apps, sometimes like once or twice a day, the phone lag. Okay. Talking about gaming, yes, I did play BGMI for around, I think, 4 or 5 hours total in 3 days. Surprisingly, guys, I noticed that there is a less heat while playing BGMI. I don't know, it's because the temperature has been changed. It's October in India, so the temperature is much lower than the previous month. So maybe that's the reason. But yeah, I noticed that my phone was heating less than One UI 7. If you guys also notice that, please let me know in the comment. Now let's talk about battery performance. I think, guys, there is a slight improvement in battery performance. I think I'm getting around 15 to 20 minutes of extra screen on time. Maybe the phone is heating lesser, that's why I'm getting the extra screen on time. So yeah, there's a slight improvement in battery backup. Okay, but still I have to charge my phone twice or three hours a day because I'm a heavy user, so I get around 5 hour of screen on time. So it's good for S23 FE, 5 hour of screen on time. This phone has some serious battery drain issue, but yeah, I think after One UI 8.0 they have improved a bit, not much, a bit. Okay, and also I noticed while charging my phone is heating lesser. Previously in One UI 7, when I charge my phone, it used to get heated after like 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know why. S23 FE is working fire, guys. Working fire. Okay, sorry for my pronunciation. The working fire. Okay, because if you charge the phone, it started heating. If you use camera, it start heating. If you play game, it start heating. If you edit video, it start heating. So obviously, that phone is a fire, working fire. So yeah, but I think there is, after One UI 8.0, there is a slight improvement in heating issue. Also battery backup has been also improved a bit. Okay, if you notice this, please let me know in the comment. In terms of UI, there is a no big changes in UI. Also everything is same, like everything is almost same. But one bad thing about this update is we are missing so many important features like now brief, log videos, audio eraser, and advanced video editing tools. And I think there are many AI features which Samsung haven't give it to Samsung S23 FE. I don't know why Samsung does this. So yeah, we are missing this important features in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE One UI 8 update. So what to do, guys? Request, we can request Samsung, but I think they will not give these features to us. Now let's talk about camera. Let me tell you guys, I'm not a pro photographer. I don't take too many photos. But yeah, after updating to One UI 8.0, I have taken some photos. So camera performance is mostly the same, but slightly improved. I think portrait shots have better edge direction and smoother background blur. Colors look more natural and dynamic range is slightly better, especially in bright lights. And yes, guys, I noticed one more improvement, that while switching zoom from 1x to 2x, 2x to 3x, 3x to 10x, the transition is pretty smooth now. It's better than One UI 7. Okay, while zooming on videos also, the smoothness is better while switching zoom, okay, from 1x to 2x, 2x to 3x. If you guys also notice this, please let me know in the comment. So guys, this is the camera. Okay, this is my camera review. As I told you, I'm not a pro photographer. So now let's talk about some good and bad things about this update. So first, let's talk about the good things. First good thing is I haven't seen a single complaint in internet about after updating to One UI 8.0 Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, a single complaint of green line issue. Okay, so that's a plus point and that's a good news that there is a no green line issue after updating to One UI 8.0. Okay, till now. It's been 3 days. I haven't seen any complaints, so I think it's pretty safe to update. Second good thing is obviously the phone is heating less now. Obviously it's heating, but I noticed that there is a slight improvement in terms of heating issue. Okay, so this is also a good thing. And also while using the basic apps like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, while using this kind of apps, there was no issue. The scrolling is smooth, open and closing animation is fine. This is also a good sign. Alright guys, after using this update for around 3 to 4 days, I think I'm pretty happy. And this is my review or my experience I'm sharing with you guys. You guys also notice anything, or if anything I haven't talked about, you want to know, you can ask me in comment. I will definitely reply you, okay? And if you ask me, should you update this? I think yes, you can update, okay, because you will get a better animations, I think, and a better battery backup. Okay, the battery backup has improved. Okay, it has not been downgraded. That's a good thing. And also we are not getting any green line issue. And also there is plus point only. Okay, there is no downgrade. Okay, so guys, this was my review after using One UI 8.0 on my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So guys, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment. And bye, take care, have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Take care.